Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen where cakes rise and expectations rise even faster. So today's recipe is special. No eggs, no red color, no drama. Just an authentic eggless red velvet cake that minds its own business. If you think red velvet means fire engine red cake, sit down, honey. Drink some water. This video is for you. So let me tell you something interesting. Originally, red velvet cake was never bright red. It got its color naturally from cocoa reacting with acidic ingredients. But somewhere along the way, red color said, "Mujhe bhi aana hai." Today we are going old school, natural cocoa, curd, buttermilk, and zero artificial color. Basically, red velvet with self-respect. Also, quick confession, I tested this recipe like a responsible adult, which means I made mistakes first. Too many ingredients, too much excitement, too much confidence. But after trial, error, and one silent stare at the oven, we cracked it. So you don't have to. Let's talk ingredients. Simple, clean, no chemistry lab. We are using maida, natural cocoa powder. Very important, not Dutch processed. Next is sugar, oil, because velvet needs moisture, not attitude. Thick curd, baking soda, buttermilk, vinegar, vanilla essence. That's it. If your ingredient list looks longer than your grocery bill, you are doing too much. People ask me why no eggs, because not everyone eats eggs and cake should be inclusive. Why no butter? Because butter becomes stiff when cold and red velvet should be soft, not emotionally unavailable. যদিও আমি butter use করেছি কম কোয়ান্টিটিতে, you guys don't use that. Oil keeps it moist even after refrigeration. Now mix your wet ingredients first. Whisk till sugar dissolves and your arm starts questioning your life choices. In another bowl, sift the dry ingredients. If you skip sifting, your cake will remember. Trust me. Slowly combine dry into wet. No overmixing. We want velvet, not rubber mat. Add buttermilk at the end. You won't taste it, but it will do magic behind the scenes like a good assistant. Pour into your tin, tap it gently, not aggressively. Bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or the skewer comes clean. While it bakes, please don't open the oven every 5 minutes. Let the cake live its life. Once baked, cool it completely. The cake looks brown, slightly reddish, very classy. It's soft, it's moist, it tastes mildly chocolatey with that signature tang. This is red velvet that doesn't shout, it whispers. Now let's talk for frosting, because this is where people get confused. For layering and crumb coating, I used Ermine frosting, also known as boiled milk frosting or milk roux frosting. Why? Because it is smooth, not overly sweet, very stable and perfect for clean layers. আমি যেহেতু অথেন্টিক স্টাইলে যাচ্ছি, তো অথেন্টিক স্টাইল রেড ভেলভেট এরকমভাবেই বানানো হতো. Instead of cream cheese, it gives structure without overpowering the cake. Basically, it does the heavy lifting. For this frosting, we need very basic ingredients: milk, flour, butter, sugar, vanilla, and just a tiny pinch of salt. That's it. No cream cheese, no whipped cream, no drama. আমি যদিও এক ডলপ মতো whipped cream ইউজ করে নিয়েছি এর মধ্যে, কারণ আমার লাগছিল কোয়ান্টিটি একটু কম আছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই. But you don't need that actually. In a pan, add milk and flour. Whisk it till well before turning on the heat. This step is very important. If you skip whisking, you will get lumps, and nobody invited lumps. Now cook this on low heat, stirring continuously. Take your time. In a few minutes, it will thicken into a smooth pudding-like paste. Once it reaches that stage, turn off the heat, cover it directly with cling wrap or মাঝে মাঝে বাস ওটা চালাতে থাকতে হবে যাতে এই উপরের একটা লেয়ার না পড়ে যায় and let it cool completely. And yes, completely means completely warm roux and butter are not friends. Now take softened butter in a bowl, beat it until it looks pale and fluffy. Add powdered sugar slowly and continue beating. আমি এখানে sugar add করিনি extra cause already ওই milk roux তে ওখানে sugar ছিল, so আমি শুধু বাটার বিট করে নিয়েছি. This should look light, smooth and creamy. Add more vanilla if it is important and combine the milk mixture with this butter mixture gradually. Beat well after every addition. At first it might look strange, don't panic. Ermine frosting always tests your patience. Keep beating and suddenly magic happens. It turns silky smooth and incredibly light. ক্রাম কোট করে কিছুক্ষণের জন্য ফ্রিজে রেখে দাও to set. For the final decoration, I switched to whipped cream. Why not Ermine for everything? Because whipped cream is lighter, prettier and gives bakery style finish. Think of it like this: Ermine frosting is the foundation, whipped cream is the makeup. Both have different jobs, both are important. যদিও আগে অথেন্টিক স্টাইলে আরমাইন ফ্রস্টিং দিয়ে পুরোটা করা হতো, বাট আমি একটু চেঞ্জ করেছি আমার মতো করে. So now I layered the cake with Ermine frosting, crumb coated it neatly, chilled it well and then finished the decoration with whipped cream. বেসিক্যালি whipped cream দিয়ে পুরো রোজেট বানিয়ে দিয়েছি. আমার কোনো ডেকোরেশন মাথায় আসছিল না. Different colors of whipped cream, different shades and different hues of red and pink use করে I have created the rosette design all over the cake, and the final result is a soft, moist, eggless red velvet cake with a mild cocoa flavor, balanced sweetness and light creamy finish. Not heavy, not overly sweet, just right. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want cream cheese version. Although cream cheese version actually সব জায়গায় অ্যাভেলেবল থাকে, কিনতেও পাওয়া যায়, বাট এই জিনিসটা কিনতে কিন্তু পাওয়া যাবে না. কিনতে পাওয়া যাবে না বলে ভুল হবে. যদি আমার কাছ থেকে কেক কিনতে চাও তো why not? Abegi Swad provides it all. আমার কাছ থেকে এটা তোমরা কিনতেও পারো. অর্ডার করতে চাইলে ইনস্টাতে you can DM me and I can provide you with freshly baked cakes, cookies and what not. এটা আমি মা বাবার অ্যানিভার্সারিতে বানিয়েছিলাম and they loved it all. আমি বেসিক্যালি একটাই টুকরো পেয়েছি, পরের দিন সব ফিনিশ হয়ে গেছে. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, keep baking smart. Okay, bye.